So for my chapter 1 question, I decided to go ahead and go with a dimensional analysis problem. So it reads, if you're baking cookies for a fundraiser and you've calculated that you'll need 2,200 milliliters of milk for your batch, how many fluid ounces does this amount to? So in the United States, of course, we don't typically use milliliters, but sometimes you'll find it in baking, so I figured that'd be a good thing to throw in there. So we're going to start off with our 2,200 milliliters. And of course I went ahead and put this right here. I won't lie, I did this already just as a practice run. But I put the 2,200 milliliters here. And so from there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to convert to liters. So of course, we're going to put our milliliters down here. And there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So from there, we need to continue on further because we haven't reached the fluid ounces that we're trying to get to. So we've got this other factor right here that I've put in. Where we have 1.0567 quarts for a liter. And of course we're still not to our fluid ounces yet, so we need to go even further and we need to convert the quarts to our fluid ounces. So there are 32 fluid ounces and 1 quart. And of course, because we are ending in the fluid ounces, we need to have those up here in the top bracket. And when we're starting off, we want this to be down here, the milliliter units, in the bottom. So from there, we arrive at 74 fluid ounces after we do our calculations, where we multiply across the top, and then we divide the bottom by the bottom. And we have the 74 fluid ounces, and if we're using sig figs, we only have 2 here, because if we look at the 2,200 milliliters, there are only 2 sig figs here. So that's where the 74 comes from.